The AV industry has progressed from video projection to video displays to entire virtual reality experiences in a few short years. And according to every indicator and research done about the AV industry, it will only continue to advance at this rapid pace. So, considering the evolution of the industry, using procurement methods like cash purchases, bank loans, or capital expense leases ends up handcuffing you to outgrown, antiquated technology equipment. Ownership strips away the flexibility and control to maintain pace with these changes in the AV landscape. With AV equipment shifting to a mission-critical necessity for your connectivity and production, you need the control to migrate to new technology on your terms without financial burden. You need to challenge the conventional way of paying for today's technology. You need TAMCO Shield, the one and only as-a-service payment option for your AV equipment. Shield is a monthly payment option that works like a termed rental, so you can focus on operating your business, not worrying about owning and managing the obsolescence curve of AV equipment. With benefits like technology obsolescence protection, natural disaster coverage, multiple end-of-term options, and operating expense advantages, Shield is the only payment option on the market that can provide you with this protection, flexibility, and control. Choose a smart way to pay for your AV equipment. Choose Shield.